2. Time to rest and recuperate for the other 2 days. It's Thursday, guys. Thursday. The whole time I was flown. It was just Sunday. We the same way. It's only Monday. We passed Tuesday, Wednesday, all the activities, and we at Thursday. Oh my gosh. We just came back from breakfast and we found our new towel animal. It is a cobra. I don't like snakes, and the eyes, they looking at me real deep. Look. Eyes of love. So today we are going to fight for a cabana. At this point, it's fight to death. We're supposed to be out real early. Relax, chill. And now it's 8. Gonna do some editing today. Cause we got a lot of content. Just a couple of videos and stuff of what we've done so far. You know, reminisce and all that. Just enjoy the day. Tomorrow we're in Grenada. Exciting stuff. We have our chocolate factory and waterfall excursion, and then we're just gonna chill in the port. Yeah, that is essentially our plan for the next 2 days. So not much to film. If we get up to anything, I'll include that, but otherwise we're just chilling today. Sushi day at the sushi bar. Back upstairs at bar 11. So this is the first out of 1 specialty dinners that we have booked. So we're having sushi. This one you have to pay for it. All specialty dinners you have to pay extra for them. It's not like regular dinners at the buffet or at any of the other restaurants. So yeah, we're very excited. This is the fit. I'm wearing my mermaid dress. I love it so much. Andrew is dressed down. Yeah, and here's the whole Valentine's fit that I love so much. Like animals in a cage, waiting to get out into civilization. It is 8:13 a.m. The boat docked at about 8 o'clock. Our excursion is at 8:30. We have to meet by 8:20 at the pier. But yeah, still did have not opened the gates yet. Official good morning, guys, from Grenada. We got out the madness. It was hustle and bustle, ankle to ankle, toe to toe. Cause it just didn't release me, but we don't say no. Got how many people? And I gotta show you behind you.
Bare people.
Bare people. So it's my fit of the day. It is a full piece bathing suit with a black cover up. Going to the waterfall today after the chocolate factory, or we're in chocolate factory first. We don't even know which way we're doing first or what we're doing first, but we're doing things first. But anyway, waterfall today. I so excited. Now I waterfall before. But yeah. So it's a bit overcast. The sun peeking out now actually. So Andrew, that hat thing you're talking about the snow. But yeah, beautiful. The boat is right there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Grenada. How are you feeling this morning, Mr. Drew?
Good. I'm ready to go to the waterfall. I've never been to a waterfall before. This should be really fun. I like chocolate, so it's best to go for it.
So these are our cruise excursion tickets. See, it said 10 minutes before, and it's for 8:30, and it's now 8:29. But we had no choice because we couldn't get out. It's more of the island. The Grenada sign is right there at the top of the pier. There's no rush in the coach. We made room for a family of 4, so we changed vehicles.
Vendors are here, but not all of the vendors, because it is, we have about 7,000, and in Virgin Martinique, 400-500 people. The motorcade to go around the whole trees are down, and a lot of trees are down. It's very bad. to get the oil out. Some people don't want this because it's not rare, and if you can find one, then they are very, very expensive. You have 20 years time to pay for it. He came here, he brought the machinery and started to make chocolate. He owns 30% owned. See others with more fruits when we walk around. And of course we have bananas. We have all different types of bananas. Wrap this in your hand. Great, right? So, but as you can see, it's already coming up. This is now.
I think this is what's on the ground. Lots and lots of coca seeds on this tray over here. It's so big.
And then there's different types of cocoa. Some need to get yellow to be ripe, and some need to.
Jungle Drew.
I'll wait for you down here, look.
Everybody in here? Cocoa bean. Everybody in here?
After the sorting part, we're seeing the roasting process over here. This is the roaster. This is the rest of the process for producing the cocoa and chocolate.
Tiny, tiny little flowers. Ground. So who is brave? That's what people drink here for breakfast.
Now we're gonna sample some chocolate. So 60%. How is it?
It's so good.
So good. We won.
27 flavors.
100. And this is 175. I'm gonna try both of these. Alright, I'm gonna try the 75. Taste the difference? Then this one is the 100.
The end is disgusting.
Whoa! It will. Alright guys, we made it to the water. Whoa, Ron, get. Me watch myself, eh? Is that for me? Hello.
Do a flip.
We're about to go in the waterfall. I cannot wait. guys, made it back to port after our chocolate factory and Concord Waterfalls tour. We're gonna grab some food after having a shower. It was a good tour. It was fun. We learned a lot about coca, about their spices, about the waterfall. We're just hungry right now.
Yeah.
Hungry and a little tired because, you know, just been on the move all day, and the ride was like very long. They got so much hills. I think we went real far up on the hills, the mountain up in Nar. The roads are tiny. But what?
They're two-way. They're two-way roads, but they're so small.
Exactly. I know how you could drive up there. But anyhow, look at the hills. We come from all the others, all the way around the corner. And there ended our day in Grenada. For the next 2 days, which is today and tomorrow, we're leaving port at 6 o'clock. It's coming down to the end, guys. We're not happy about it all. We just stood in the Esplanade Mall for like an hour and a half just on Wi-Fi, editing content, drafting pictures for Instagram, TikTok. Yeah, because we haven't gone to that in a while, so it was nice to just relax and get some AC and do all that before we head back to the boat. Ready for another Italian night. Drew on these, we squaring up with the birds. Ready for another Italian night, guys. I can't believe I ever thought this boat was small. This boat's so big. Oh my gosh. But yeah, today was fun. We learned a lot about the history of the country. Like, here the tour being a chocolate factory and waterfall tour, we only think it's about those two things, but the tour guide we had, the lady was from Switzerland. And having moved here from Switzerland, she knew so much about the islands. It was very educational. And there are a lot of stuff that we can relate to, especially because we live in Barbados. So the plants are the same, the waters are the same. We experienced Hurricane Barrel just like them. We understand like the challenges that we face after the hurricane and the destruction and, you know, yeah, and everything for economic standpoint as well. We understand. So it was cool. Yeah, see Karate Stadium. Once that's his last year with Hack Rifta. Lots of stuff. Lots and lots of stuff. Yeah. Italian night number 2.
I just talk, then we talk back too. What's the word? What you wanna do? Empty out the clip. I want to
Violent, living off in the city. Cause your song that say the wrong, gotta kiss myself so too high. No reason to fight and move too high. Good morning from St. Lucia. It's the last freaking country day, officially the last freaking cruise day, because tomorrow morning we back home. The wind is winding. We had a little showers early. We went to the port to sit down and get some Wi-Fi, but now we are dressed and ready for our excursion. Today we'll be visiting the Sulphur Springs, which is the volcano. We're having a mud bath tour as well as a waterfall tour. Yes, another waterfall. Excited for that. So yeah, we're about to go and look for our pickup people and get this train moving. And while we were getting ready, there was some type of activity going on. So this is all the personnel on the boat that probably don't know in their life jackets.
Hey, how are you guys? Long time I see my girl. Everything good? Okay.
Yeah. Woo!
Alright, heading to our coach for the trip.
Big snake.
Jesus!
then we go around that corner.
Alright guys, now we are here going into the Sulphur Springs after a very, very long drive. I felt that drive was over an hour and a half.
Calcium and the dark kind of reddish wineish color is ice.
Okay.
So you go in first, it's gonna open up your pores, then you allow it to soak in.
More mud. What are the places we're going to? That's hopefully back there. I don't know if they're under. I'm not. But yeah, close arm. It's on my hands. All right, get a real YouTube.
We did it! And we had a blast!
We had a blast.
Piton. Now we're at the waterfall, Toraille. Hello, man. There's hello, any beads. Where we don't come from?
Oh, the mud bar?
Yeah. Oh my god, we did that. We went in there. Basically in the Amazon. So we went to take pictures earlier down by the St. Lucia sign. And there was what seemed to be a wedding going on. The person came back I can see the bride. I don't know what's going on, but they had the wedding right there in the corner, which is very confusing and very strange. We are exploring the boats for the final time at night. We just had the farewell party in the atrium, and now we're just walking around the boat because why not? What else is there to do? Go to sleep, cry, swallow, and reminisce. Like, ain't time for none of that. So we tell the boat one last good farewell, so that what we doing. Last time going to the room at night. As you can see, suitcases are already in the hallway. You have to do it by 2 a.m. or else. They what?
They make you walk the plank.
They make you walk the plank. And that's a heavy weight, eh? Heavier than an anchor. Good morning from rainy Barbados.
Officially off the ship.
Officially off. Like, I mean, I've sounded enthusiastic just now, but it's just bittersweet. Like, in a sense, we happy. You know, we fulfilled, we happy, we rise, we back home in our beds, in our bathroom, etc. But at the same time, we had so much fun. It was just sad to like leave. But yeah, we had 2 last days of rain. It rained in St. Lucia yesterday a little bit, and it raining home today. So we just get home and cuddle up and enjoy our Easter Sunday. But it was a great trip. 10 out of 10 experience. We will be back. 100% be back. Bye.